आई थिंक एज एन एथलीट हेल्थ इज ब्यूटी, सो मुझे लगता है कि इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कि आप अपना हेल्थ ठीक से रखो.
Can you introduce yourself and tell us about your role at Amrutam?
My name is Rahul. I'm a UI UX designer at Amrutam, and my daily schedule looks like a lot of meetings and a lot of learning as well.
Okay, how long have you been a part of Amrutam family?
So it's been like more than 1 year now.
You have worked remotely for a long period of time.
Hmm.
तो finally factory आके कैसा लग रहा है?
So जब मैं फैक्ट्री आया तो आई फील वेरी कनेक्टेड, बिकॉज अभी तक जितने प्रोडक्ट्स जो हम बेच रहे थे ऑनलाइन, अब वो एक्चुअल में कैसे बन रहे हैं वो हमें एक्सपीरियंस करने को मिल रहा है, विच इज़ लाइक गोल्ड फॉर मी. एंड यहाँ के लोग हैं जो यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं, वो उनका एक्सपीरियंस जानने में मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. इनफैक्ट मैं पहली बार अपने पूरे सारे कॉलीग से मिल रहा हूँ, तो इट्स लाइक आई फील वेरी कनेक्टेड विद देम, एंड विच ऑब्वियसली फील्स वेरी गुड.
Okay. What are some differences that you have felt between working remotely and being physically available at the factory?
So remotely, when I used to work, it was just the interaction with the devices. But when I actually got to see how things work and met my colleagues, so I was more able to understand ki what's the thought process behind it and what exactly the whole thing factory, the workers, what are they going through, and a lot of different things. So obviously makes sense, like making more sense to me what they're trying to do.
How has this on-site experience impacted your understanding of Amrutam's product and processes?
So the process felt to me more natural and problem solving.
अमृतम का ऐसा कौन सा विजन और वैल्यू है जिससे आप पर्सनली रेजोनेट करते हो?
I think as an athlete, health is beauty. So मुझे लगता है कि it's very important to कि आप अपना health ठीक से रखो.
What's your favorite moment from this retreat so far?
My favorite moment was, as you all know, that Gwalior is a city of music. So I went to the skateboard park and I met few people there, thanks to Agnim and Yash, to take that one extra turn, and that actually helped me discover the history of the whole music.
What's the one thing that you have learned from being around your team that you could not have learned virtually?
The thing which I've learned, I think that would be, you should be open to learn anything.
If you have to explain all of your experience in one word or one phrase, how would you explain it?
I would say journey.